So FIDA is the company that created Dronesoccer. Dronesoccer is a new international sport. It originated in South Korea 6 years ago. We brought it to the United States 13 months ago, and we've taught already over 5,000 kids the ages of 4 years old and up how to safely and successfully fly drones. Even though these drones go 80 to 100 miles an hour, you can fly it at 1 mile an hour. It just depends on the skills of the pilot. So first things first, what you need to do is you need to arm the motors. So once the motors are started, you push up on the left stick. And then use the right stick to fly. And the objective is to fly this drone through these hoops. Yeah, so in a real competition, it's 5-on-5. It consists of 3 defenders, 2 strikers per team. The objective of the game is similar to soccer. Whoever scores the most goals ends up winning the game. And with that being said, the defenders, they're going everywhere. Strikers crash through them. It's a very action-packed game.